night view. Coral Cliff. Let's go check it out.
Well, people who work there, so they get the place. Yeah. You know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hold on. Put up on this. Yes, guys, on the hip strip once more. You have Coral Cliff. Nicely done. You got Margaritaville over there. I did the day video already of this. Now I'm doing the evening video. Because you don't really get much YouTubers coming out at night. So yeah, that's the waterfall coming out of the building. That's the deep water effect. You've got the Blue Beat restaurant over that side. Very popular, very good food they say it is. So yeah, what can I say? Let me take you for a walk in Coral Cliff. And this is a tourist spot, so this is it. Nice lit. Yeah. So Coral Cliff, we got 3 floors. You got restaurant upstairs, got games downstairs, and you have but this is a new, this wasn't here the last time I came here. They didn't have this water effect. This is a nice water effect. This wasn't here the last time I'm here. But you have different games. Again, you can bring your children or your child and do what you're doing, enjoying yourself. That's the king chair. Nisha?
No, that's the man. Okay. Oh, we can take a picture with it.
This is it. I'm gonna go upstairs in a bit, guys. Coral Cliff. Steps up. I'm gonna take a photo. This is the view of the Hip Strip at night. That don't cost money. You go on the ground up. I'm not gonna do that. Yes, guys. So this is because of copyright infringement. I'm gonna stop videoing right now. I'm not here to promote anybody's music, and YouTube, please don't give me copyright, because I'm just making my video and they're playing their music over there. Okay, just showing people the night view. That's Blue Beat, the restaurant. Yeah, so here we are, and you see me coming in. Now I'm going out. Different view, different time. All right, same sketch. Little bit of the night view of the Hip Strip. Tomorrow I'll try and give a better view of what's going on. But Margaritaville is over there. I don't know what night it is. It might be having a local night, I'm not sure. But whatever it is, it would be alright for whoever wants to go there. Heading back to the car now and head out of this area. This is nice, quiet, very, very, very safe. Security everywhere, and therefore you're good to go when it comes to safety. Alright guys, so if you're in Montego Bay, visit the Hip Strip. You got the Burger King and other places across from there. Island Wings. Yeah. You got Island Grill, you got Island Wings. So yes guys, we're going through. So this is it for now. Show you the palm tree. Wouldn't be palm tree if you're not in Jamaica. Peace out.